Here we go. And a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we start this routine towards the back middle of the floor. The leader is going to be facing the front of the floor and the follower is going to be facing the back. So just make sure both of your right arms are closest to each other. So we have 2 counts to connect our right hands, going 1, 2. And at this point, Nick and I are just kind of making sure our fingers are connected. You don't have to like fully sandwich your hand together. And then we're just going to walk around in a circle in a clockwise direction. So this goes 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now once you've made a 360 circle, you're both going to open up towards each other. And leader, you're going to bow, and follower, you're going to curtsy. So that's for the last set of the 8. We go 2, 2, 3, 4. The leader offers their hands 5, 6. As you notice, his palms are facing upwards. And then follower goes 7, 8, palms facing downwards. So leader, for this bow, you can just make sure your right arm is in front of your stomach and your left arm is bent to the back. And you're just going to hinge at the waist slightly. Now follower, for this curtsy, I am holding out my extra skirt that I have, but you can also just put your hands out to the side like this or this. And I'm just crossing my left foot behind my right foot and bowing my head slightly. So by the end of this is called our open dance frame. Leader, you want to make sure your left foot is free to step forward, and follower, your right foot is free to step backwards. So my tips for this whole intro section are just to make sure you are already on the floor before the music starts. So you can tell your DJ to make sure you are in your position. You can give them a head nod or a thumbs up before you get started. You just want to make sure you're ready to go because we do start moving right away. We are now going to show this intro facing the opposite direction. Feel free to try it with us whenever you're ready. And here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.